Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to use secret codes on Android phone to see device information. Let's have a look. Secret code number 1. Open phone app on your Android phone. Dial star hash 07 hash. This will display SAR level. If needed, you can scroll and check the levels. Tap OK to exit. Secret code number 2. Dial star hash 06 hash. This will display your device IMEI number. You can check IMEI and serial number by using this secret code. Secret code number 3. Star hash 4636 hash star. This will access the testing or phone information menu. Tap phone information 1, then check the details of your phone information. You can go back and check phone information 2, and also you can check Wi-Fi information. Secret code number 4. Dial star hash 225 hash star. This will display calendar information. Secret code number 5. Star hash 426 hash star. This will display FCM information. Tap 3 dots and tap advanced view. Then check the information by scrolling down. So these are the tested and working secret codes for all Android phone. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.